In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a support ticket system in ClickUp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a streamlined process to manage and resolve support requests efficiently. Let's dive in. To start, we need to access ClickUp. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Overview section of your workspace. This is where you'll find all the tools and resources necessary to manage your tasks and projects. Now, look towards the top right corner for a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is your More Options menu, which houses additional features and settings. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down that appears, you'll want to select the option labeled Track Tasks, Projects, People, and More. This feature is integral to setting up our support ticket system since it allows us to monitor and organize various aspects of our projects. Think of it as your project management command center, through which we'll deploy and customize the ticketing process. Next, in the search box that appears, type in Support Ticket System. This is a predefined template available within ClickUp designed specifically for handling support-related tasks. The beauty of this template is that it's tailor-made to suit the specific nuances and workflows associated with support tickets, ensuring you don't have to start from scratch. Once you've selected the Support Ticket System template, you'll see the Create button become active. Click on Create to initiate the setup process. This action will populate your workspace with the predefined columns and tools necessary for managing support tickets, including fields for ticket IDs, statuses such as open or closed, and priority levels. Now that ClickUp has set up the framework, you'll have some automated suggestions to optimize your new system. Every workspace has its unique requirements, and ClickUp tries to smartly suggest tweaks to better align with those needs. You'll see an option to Apply Suggestions. Click on this to automatically incorporate these improvements into your support ticket system. And there you have it, a support ticket system up and running within your ClickUp workspace. With this setup, all incoming requests can be organized into a streamlined workflow, allowing your team to track, manage, and resolve each ticket efficiently. It makes the whole process seamless and less stressful, improving response times and overall satisfaction. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are ready to implement your own support ticket system in ClickUp. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.